currently in the process of editing and scrambling to get this video up. My dryer's been broken for a while now, so I had laundry piling up, and I finally decided to take a bunch of it down to the laundromat after I washed a bunch of it here and brought it back all dry. So now I just have a ton of clean laundry, more than I usually have, just kind of everywhere, and I'm having a hard time finding the motivation to get through it because, as you know, laundry is one of those never-ending things. You wear something, you take it off, it's dirty, it needs washed, it needs to be put away, you gotta wear it again. You don't spend weeks at a time naked just so you can catch up on laundry. So I'm editing this video, hopefully I can get it up. It's just a quick little cooking video, you know, help you debone chicken thighs. I really wanted to do a cleaning video, guys, like really wanted to do a cleaning video. I need to clean so bad, and I just thought, you know what, take a deep breath, calm yourself. Things I've already done today. I loaded the dishwasher and the dishwasher is running. I'm currently washing blankets and things that can be hung so that they don't have to go through the dryer. So like delicate blankets. I have a wool knitted one that my daughter got some Erin's thinking putty. It's like a silly putty, but it's glow in the dark and glitter and like 15 bucks. And she fell asleep with it in her hands, and it just kind of melted all down into her and into this blanket that was handmade by a relative. So I need to hand pick out all of the silly putty from this blanket, and then I'm gonna wash it, and then because it's finally warm enough, I'm gonna be able to hang it to dry, and it doesn't matter that my dryer is broken. The repairman was supposed to be here to fix my dryer after ordering a part that he was waiting for, supposedly. He was supposed to be here last week or the beginning of this week, and it's Friday already, and it's currently the afternoon, so I don't think that he is coming to fix my dryer. So I will be at least another whole weekend without a dryer. I might hit up the laundromat again. It's kind of expensive, like really expensive. I think it cost me $20 to dry everything this last time. So that's the update, and it's gonna be one. We're in the Target parking lot waiting for Daddy.
Yeah.
He went into Bevmo, which is an adult store. So we got out of Target. Let's see the toys you guys got.
I got a Twisty Pet.
A Twisty Pet? And what did you get, Beto?
Yay!
Where'd your football go? Wow. Those are so cool, guys.
Yeah.
Yep. We're gonna go home and we're gonna clean after lunch.
Me dinner.
No, lunch. It's lunchtime, guys.
Oh yeah. I saw you said dinner.
It's lunchtime, guys. What happened last night? You saw the tooth fairy?
He said that.
Yeah. Did you lose a tooth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw you.
Yeah.
And I said, hold.
Wow.
And the tooth fairy, they made $5.
5 whole dollars?
Yeah.
And what did you buy with your Tooth Fairy money?
This.
Wow.
And Beto
Mm-hmm.
found my tooth.
You found your tooth?
See money under my bed.
Wow.
And I was looking all over, and then I didn't get under my bed, and then Beto found it.
Wow.
And
So Evelyn lost a tooth last night. How many teeth does that make for you? That's like 7, isn't it? 7 teeth?
I think it's like 8.
8 teeth?
Yeah.
That's a lot of teeth.
Yeah. Oh, I see that.
You see Daddy? Okay.
This is the end
So
of
let's
the
go get some lunch, guys. Sunday afternoon. I made bacon and eggs and pancakes for breakfast, so I need to clean up from that. I have a bunch of stuff I need to get done today, like a bunch of stuff. Probably not gonna get it done. Probably not. So I'm probably gonna wander around and clean whatever I'm in the mood to clean because I have so much to get done, so that I don't get burnt out really quick. I think later I'm gonna put on one of my de-stress masks and just try to wash this weekend away, but first we have to get some cleaning done.
earth broken. Open your mind. The world has been broken. Look around you.
Okay guys, so as you can see, that's it for this video. I've put on my Freeman anti-stress clay mask for all skin types. Yes, I'm smurfing it up, so I'm going to relax, edit this video and get it posted for tomorrow hopefully, and probably watch a movie after a shower. We'll see. We'll see how my skin feels when I take off my mask. So if you guys like this new vlog style cleaning I have going on, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, or let me know down in the comments if you like it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day.